Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello Scorpio placements. This is your love reading ngayong February. Titingnan natin yung inyong current situation and yung next action ni person mo sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay perception of light. Okay? And syempre, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po. Okay? Magme-message. So, yes. And, yeah, if you're interested pagdating sa ating mga items, so we do have Evil Eye Protection. So, ito yung ring natin. Okay? So, adjustable yung ring. Okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. And, yung ating, meron tayong necklace, meron tayong bracelet. Okay? So, meron din tayong for love. Okay, love bracelet. So, singles, may mga kakonect na sobrang daming conflict na. Yan, pwede yan sa inyo. And, yeah, pwede rin sa may mga magaganda ng connection. So, para makapag, pa rin, sabihin natin, magkaroon pa ng mas maganda, no? Union, harmony, yan, okay? So, ipoprovide na everything na kung ano man ang kailangan sa situation. And, yung ating granter necklace, so, nagtatago siya. Okay, so, ito siya. So, si granter is made to order. Ito yung, yes, ito yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises, kahit wala kayong hinihiling. Yes, o, diba? And, syempre, yung kanya talagang work dito, yung job niya, is to grant kung ano man yung minamanifest. Okay, pero syempre, again, doon tayo, etong si granter, hindi niya lahat, sabihin nating minamanifest for you. Hindi niya lahat iginagrant. Okay, alam nito kung anong talagang for you. So, siya na yung magpo-provide. Okay, mga ganon. So, next is yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, so si cord cutting, kung wala pa kayong idea about dyan, then yeah, message na lang po. Okay, so yeah, para maibigay namin yung info ng lahat-lahat. Okay, so let's start the reading for you, Scorpio. Scorpio placements. So is this person you're thinking of? The person on your mind, sino ite? Tingnan natin. Let's see. Scorpio. Sino ba to? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio. Okay, the Chariot in reversed. So, kung titingnan lang natin dito, no, may mga literal akong nakikita rito, like specific. Some of them, hindi pa rin ito nakaka-move on from you. May chance na ex or past person. May chance rin na some of them, hindi sila totally parang magawa, no? Oo, may katamaran yung iba. Mahilig sila mag-delay. Mahilig silang mag-procrastinate. Like that. Okay? What's with this Chariot in reversed? Hindi siya nag-iisip ng pang long term. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Some of them, pwedeng mas bata. Younger. Okay, or maybe, pwedeng may age gap sa inyo. Lagi na lang itong taong tong may plano, pero hindi matuloy-tuloy. So, yun. Siya yung taong yun. Well, kung hindi ka naka-resonate, tingnan mo na lang din kung anong nilalaman ng reading. Okay? So, kung pass mo to, may chance na meron na siyang mga sinisimulang bago sa buhay. Pero, let's see kung anong meron. Ano tong Page of Pentacles? See, a lot of procrastinations, a lot of delays. Ito yung taong may chance na ang dami ring insecurities. May nakuha akong ganun. Marami siyang insecurities. Okay? Siya yung parang urong-sulong sa mga decision na gusto niyang gawin, sa mga plano na gusto niyang gawin. Mga ganong bagay ba? Okay, so let's see. Ano bang situation nyo, Scorpio? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Scorpio placements. Ay, the Empress. Why? What's with this Empress? Okay, the Fool. So, both of you, may mga kailangan, alam nyo, just look at the positive side of the situation, not on the negative side. Okay? This is like, opportunity mo to, no? So, grab it. Kung may nangyaring separation, opportunity mo to. Oo. Para magawa mo yung mga bagay na pwedeng hindi mo na rin nagawa before because of this connection. So, pwedeng siya rin ganon. Okay? Some of you, Scorpio, ito yung taong naging dahilan para hindi mo magawa rin yung mga bagay na dating gusto mo, parang ganyan. Parang siya yung naging blockage. Like that. Okay, so, I don't know kung sino ang umalis dito, kung sino ang nakipaghiwalay, pero importante dito, may nangyaring separation. Sa totoo lang. Okay, ito yung pagkakataon mo para mag-grow ka. So, ito yung hindi mo alam pagdating sa situation nyo ngayon. This is the right timing. Oo, para magkaroon ka ng, sabihin natin, yung mga hindi mo ginawa noon is magagawa mo na ngayon. Okay? Yung mga na-delay, mga na-pending, pwede ngayon mo na magawa. Right timing is ngayon. Okay? So, let's see. What is their emotion for you? Emotion ni person currently. Current emotion deep down. Let's see. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. So, kung ano man ang nangyaring dahilan ng separation dito, hindi ginugusto ng person na magkahiwalay kayo. Hindi niya ginugusto yon. Ayaw niya rin to. Sa totoo lang. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. See? This is heavy. Burden. Okay? Mahirap sa kanya ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Pero yes, kailangan may mga mabago. Kailangan may mga simulan na. So, pareho kayo. Dapat. Ang ginagawa. Kahit mahirap yung situation, kailangan ulit na parang okay, magsisimula akong muli. Ganun po yung nakikita ko dyan. So, let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa next action niya? Kasi yes, ngayon nga nakikita natin na nahihirapan siya, hindi okay, gusto kanya na nandyan, gusto kang makita. The Five of Pentacles in reverse, gusto kanya na parang yes, malapit sa'yo, parang ganun. Gustong makipag-ayos. Tingnan natin, what is their next action towards you, Scorpio? Okay, so a communication. Communication. Pwedeng mag-reach out yung iba sa kanila. Why? Anong meron dito sa Ace of Swords? The Two of Swords. So, sinasabi dyan na gusto ng taong to na kausapin ka pero hindi niya hayaan yung sarili niyang gawin yon. So, nilalabanan niya itong connection na to. Nilalabanan niya kung anong meron sa inyo sa ngayon. Mahirap to for them, Scorpio. Mahirap. Tinatalikuran niya, Ito yung lovers, ito yung commitments, ito yung relationship, tinatalikuran niya. They're not happy. Ten of Cups, they're not. Hindi sila nakakaramdam ng contentment, ng completion, like that. It's heavy. Okay? Ikaw yung parang the best na para sa kanya na tinalikuran niya. Hindi ko malaman, hindi ko malaman sa inyo kung anong meron, kung bakit nawala, kung bakit to nag-end or what. Okay? So, there's a lot of twos here. So, may mga option, I think. May mga kailangang pagpilian. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Okay. So, they're trying. They will try. Okay? Umi-effort yung person mo na hindi ka i-reach out, hindi ka i-message. Ace of Swords, Two of Swords. Some of you, there's this energy of third party. Kung kailangan itong pumili, sabihin natin, yeah, may chance na may pipiliin at merong hindi. Kung ano man. Pero they're like, nagpo-procrastinate pa rin sila. Like, they're delaying things, kung ano man. If this is talking about closure, na gusto mong makuha from them, hindi ko pa nakikita na pwede niyang gawin, pwede niyang sabihin sa'yo or kung ano man. Malabo. They're in pain, actually. Kung hindi nila gagawin yun. Takot rin sila eh. Sa totoo lang. Hindi ko nakikita ang totoong tapos na to. Yung nakukuha ko sa taong to, deep down, hindi sa surface level, ha? They're still open for you. They are. Still open. Emotion. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa outcome? / advice for you, Scorpio. Okay. The Eight of Cups. Walking away. Why? This is walking away. The Six of Cups. See, this is a strong connection, I guess. A strong connection, a deep connection. Meron din dito kasing Empress, so that's why ang feeling nila, ikaw na yung lahat eh, para sa kanila eh. Ikaw na yung sabihin nating nakikita nila na pwedeng makasama forever. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Pero hindi nila tinutuloy yung ganon. Alam nila, like, meron silang energy na self-sabotager. Okay? So, may chance na nasisira nila yung mga sarili nilang plano. Kung ano man. So, make this as a lesson. Hindi ko nakikita na kailangan mong isarado yung door mo for this person. Wala akong nakikitang ganun. Alam nyo naman ako, pag nakikita ko, sinasabi ko na wala na to, tapos na to. BS to. Okay, pero hindi. This time, itong taong to, I think, may chance na magkaroon pa ulit kayo ng reconnection afterwards, eventually. Okay? In the near future, maybe. Or in the future. Okay? Magko-connect muli kayo. Magkikita, like, tawag dyan, unexpected, yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, again, meron pa rin Ten of Cups Universe. So, meron tayong narinig na confirmation from Universe para sa akin. So, I think, may chance na magkita muli kayo ng taong to. Pero sa ngayon, you need to separate ways. Okay? Sa ngayon, kailangan nyo munang mag-grow as an individual. Okay? To grow in general. So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita for you, Scorpio. So, we have here water, a lot of water. Earth, fire, aqua, air sign, fire, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Earth, and Cancer yan. So, okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Scorpio. So, this is the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see their energy towards you. Aries through Pisces. Again, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Scorpio. Aries. They can't commit. Okay? Hindi pa sila ready maybe to commit. Taurus. Too in and out. Inconsistent. Gemini. They want communication. They want to tell you something. Alam nyo yung ready na yung mga sasabihin niya. I don't know kung ginagawa niya or sinesend na niya, sinasabi na niya sa'yo. Pero yeah, may energy na meron siyang gustong sabihin or i-clarify or kung ano man. So, Cancer yan. They're manifesting you. Some of them, they're throwing you evil eye. Protect your energy. Leo, can't move forward. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you. Virgo, they're thinking of you obsessively. Like, sabihin natin nandyan na yung upset sila. Pero andun yung depressed, some of them. Lalo na if there's no communication or no contact. Yeah, you're always in their head, no? Parang ganyan. Nasa na tayo? Libra. They want to, clear the air with you. They want to clear the air. Scorpio. They're passionate. There's lust. Okay? Some of them, nawala na yung attraction. Pero, nandoon yung gusto lang ganun. Sagittarius, they're looking for you. They're searching for you. Capricorn, they're liar. They're afraid, some of them. Aquarius, feeling happy, contented. Yeah. They want victory, actually. They want victory, maybe with you. So, next. Pisces. May chance na mag-reach out sa'yo tong Pisces na to. A simple message, like, kumusta? Some of them, they're stalking you right now. Habang kayo nanonood, they're stalking you. Okay? So, hindi ko tinatanggap ang dahilang naka-block ka or binlock mo. Okay? May paraan to para may stalk ka niya. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.